Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit a cinematic video in a CapCut with the basic tutorial. So you already have the clip that I would like to edit for it to be a cinematic, and let's take a look first. So I already have 3 clips on my project, and here the first thing that I would like to do is make it slow speed. So the things that you need to do is just go click the clip, and after that go into the speed, and you can just choose the normal one, and you can adjust in the speed that you want. I would like to make it slow, so I would like to drag this point into the left side into like 0.5 and have a check for it. And after everything is done, and I'll just want to click this checklist button, and I would like to do the same for the rest of the clip. I would like to make it slower too with the same steps. Have a check. If it's need to be more slower, I will like to drag it again and again and give a test again. And here I think it's enough, and I will like to jump into the next clips by drag it, and let's just drag this point into the left side too, like into the 0.5. And after everything's done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and now we can see that we already have all of this clip become low or slow speed. And after this, I would like to add some animation. You just need to click the clip, and after that go jump into the animation, and in this animation make sure you are in the in part, and in this in part I would like to looking for a fade in, and this way. And after that you just need to click, and now let's adjusting the speed or the duration of this animation. I would like to make it a little bit longer, so I would like to make it like 2 seconds. And after that we just need to go click this checklist button, and for this same clip I would like to make this also have the end, which is the out animation. You just need to jump into the out, and let's find a fade out. In this fade out you can also adjust in the speed, but I would like to make it like 1 seconds only. And after that just go click the checklist button and jump into the next clip, and just exactly do the same. But for the duration of the second clip I will to make it like longer than the first clip, so I will only do it 1 second or 1.4. and after that jump into the out part and find the fade out, go click the 1.0, and let's now jump into the third part with the same animation for in, which is the fade in with the 1 second duration, 1.5. and for the out use fade out and use like 1. And after everything's done just go click this checklist button, and now we just need to see the result. Okay, so this duration is quite too long. I would like to make it shorter by drag this part into the left side and back into the checklist. I think the animation is gone, so I would like to add the animations again by go click this animation, and in the out part I would like to make it just the same, 1 second, and go this checklist button and have another try out. Okay, so that's already finished for the edit, but then I would like to add some effects for the video to make it more cinematic by going into the filters, and in these filters I would like to try to find noise. Okay, let me find it for you first. Okay, I would like to suggest you for inceptions, and after that you just need to adjusting the intensity. I will like to make it intense and go click this checklist button, and after that I will like to make this applied into the whole clip. And now let's take a look for the result. So that's the way guys how to make a cinematic video with a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment if you find that this tutorial today is good useful. So bye bye, see you for another video.